Alright, so we got the outside kitchen here. Gonna run through it here real quick. Got plenty of outlets in here, nice storage. Oh, that's a surprise. There's your fan that goes in the power channel awning, as well as your LED spotlights. Nice light switches. And your stove top. It didn't lock in, but you got 2 burners. Auto ignite. Well, it's not auto, you still got to push the button. And your LP quick connect line is going to be right there. Easy peasy. Plug and play, and you're cooking. Alright. Let that go back in. Just a little serving tray. Pretty cool. Montana, because you guys are awesome, so they put just the minor little things. Then you got your beer fridge, condiment fridge, wine fridge, whatever you want to do with it. There you have it. Outside kitchen. 385 Montana High Country. Slam-latch. And it's magnetic, so pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, send it to your friends.